Hello. This short video will show you how to set up and connect your Yeti microphone, plus also do a quick sound check while using Audacity. Let's get started. Connect your Yeti to your laptop via the USB cable provided. If you are using a Mac laptop, you may need to use a USB to USB-C adapter like this one. Connect the small end of the USB cable to the underside of the Yeti, and then the larger side to your USB port on your computer or to the USB-C adapter if you require one. Confirm your Yeti is connected by checking the sound settings in your computer. Simply go into your computer settings, then to Sound, and select Yeti as input. If you speak into the microphone, you will see flashing on the sound meter as shown below. To continue setting up your Yeti, you will want to select the mic pattern on the back of the Yeti to cardioid, the upside-down heart symbol. And for the gain knob, it is best to start out with it in the straight-up 12 o'clock position. Next, place the foam cone over your microphone, as this will help reduce plosives, which are also known as mouth noises. When handling the Yeti, be careful not to inadvertently touch the mute button on the front. When the mic is muted, it will flash red and will not pick up any sound. When it is ready to record, it is a solid red and will pick up sound. If you'd like to connect your headphones to your Yeti to monitor your sound while you're recording, you can connect them underneath as well. The volume knob on the front of the Yeti will control the volume level in the headphones while you are using them. Using headphones while recording is optional. Also, it is a known issue that Mac users cannot hear themselves through their headphones while they're recording, but they can hear themselves when playing back what they recorded. If you don't see Yeti as an option, you can go into your computer settings to make sure it is selected. To test your Yeti using Audacity, you will need to download it to your computer. Type Audacity Download into a search engine. From the Audacity download page, select the version of Audacity that matches your computer. Once the file has been downloaded, go through the normal steps of installing software on your computer. Make sure your Yeti is connected to your computer and then launch Audacity. It is a known issue that you will need to have your microphone connected prior to launching Audacity. To confirm that Audacity is recognizing your Yeti, we will need to see if it is listed as a recording device in the device toolbar. If you do not see your device toolbar, which is common after the initial install of Audacity, go to View, Toolbars, Device Toolbar. In the device toolbar, select Yeti as the recording device in the drop-down menu. If you don't see the Yeti as an option, go into your computer settings and be sure to select Yeti as input. If it still isn't showing, make sure the mic is connected at both ends and then quit Audacity and relaunch. If you're wanting to use your headphones with a Yeti, we need to make sure that the Yeti is selected for playback device in the drop-down. If you don't see the Yeti as an option, you can go into your computer settings to make sure to select it as sound output. Next, we want to make sure that recording channels is set to stereo, as Audacity defaults to mono after its initial installation. Now that the Yeti is connected and set up, you can try some test recordings in Audacity. This is the record button. This is the stop button. This is the play button. This is the pause button. You can place your cursor in the trackbed to play the recording at a certain point. You can experiment with mic placement like close or far away, and also the gain to see how it affects the sound of your voice. That's all there is to it. If you have any difficulties or problems, please contact the email listed on the screen. Good day, and let's pod.